Yeah.
Then I should call you a sir.
Oh, why? Why? Just, yeah, there's no need to call sir or ma'am. Just call by this name. It's enough.
Okay,
Hmm?
okay.
Right? Automatically, no?
Yes,
Do you know Hindi?
yes, I can.
Oh, great. So in Assam, means which part of in Assam you are living?
In Duliajan district.
Hmm.
Duliajan.
In
You have
Assam,
heard, I think, the Dibrugarh. Have you
yeah,
heard before?
yeah, little bit.
Nearby that only.
Hmm. Lakhimpur is there, I think. Lakhimpur?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I'm from
But
Lakhim.
I ever visit.
Hmm. I'm
You
from
are from Lakhimpur.
I'm from Lakhimpur Kheri in UP.
Get the point. I get the point. Because many of them earlier I have thought they are telling my hometown is there, but I'm living there. I'm living there. That is why I'm asking that you are also in another place or what. Do you
Great.
get the point?
Got it, got it, got it. What right now? What are you doing?
Right now I am studying only.
Right now you are studying.
Studying.
Okay,
Yes.
that's a great.
Studying means doing this class by communicate to improve this
Hmm.
only.
Oh, great. So do you know what is vitamin M? Do you know exact
Vitamin M.
M M M? Hmm?
There is no vitamin M.
Yes, there is vitamin M, but I think you don't know, na, about that.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know,
What is
really,
that?
really.
Yeah, I am telling the truth. I don't know.
Everyone wants vitamin
Means?
money.
Oh my god, you have shocked me.
This
I
is
thought that even I am from class 1 to I have passed my matric, I have passed my high secondary. I didn't get vitamin N and you are telling vitamin A. That's why I am shocked.
hmm. This is called
Yeah, I
vitamin M,
read.
na.
Oh, it's vitamin A. I don't know that. Thank you for this. Then I will tell the people that you have the
Yeah,
vitamin C, sorry, vitamin M or what?
yeah,
Oh my
absolutely.
god, I have really shocked. You have shocked me.
So, miss, everyone wants vitamin M, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Definitely. Miss, after this vitamin M, everyone wants one another vitamin M. Do you know?
No, I don't know that.
Marriage.
Oh, from M, it's a very dangerous word can be pronounced. I ever thought it. Really, I ever thought.
Oh.
M, vitamin A will be money. It can be money. It can be married. And another else?
Marriage.
Please say me. Marriage.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, it was my one of the best talk with you. I have known to
Thank you,
another
thank
things
you,
in my
thank you so
life
much.
that I ever heard vitamin M. That you have
Now,
told me about vitamin M
yeah, now.
plus
Hmm.
what marriage?
Hmm. Now you got it, no?
Yeah, I got it.
That's a great. So I think confusion is clear, right?
Yes, now clear,
Hmm.
totally clear.
Hmm. You are so
So
smart.
I am right.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, thank you, thank
absolutely.
you, thank you.
Oh, why thank you. If you are so smart, so I'm smarter than you, na?
Mm.
Oh, really? Right? Great. What's your hobbies?
My hobbies is to cooking and dancing.
Oh,
There's
great.
nothing else.
Oh, great, 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 great. So you can cook very well, huh? Means
Yes,
any kind of
yes,
dish you can. Hmm?
cook.
Hmm.
Yes, I can.
So what's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is papaya pies. Have
What kind of dish?
you ever eaten?
No,
Means we are called from the rice. We are preparing that kheer. You know kheer.
I know kheer.
Kheer. Ah yes, like that type only. Little bit of difference from that rice. We
Mm-hmm.
are making that papaya. Papaya. That one's raw papaya.
Hmm.
That's raw papaya. We are making this payas.
Oh.
This was my favorite because when I have made this in the competition, I have got the first prize.
Oh,
So
great.
from that time,
That's why this is your favorite dish, huh?
yes, that is why it's
Hmm.
my favorite.
Hmm. What
By
you?
the way, what type of dish do you like the most?
I like, just carrot halwa.
Carrot halwa.
Yeah, carrot halwa and just rasgulla, rasgulla,
Yes,
kala jam, as well as just
fast person.
yeah, it's coming on the way next month maybe
Yes.
round off.
So happy birthday in advance and happy new
Oh,
year in advance.
oh, thank you so much
I am
for that.
I am wishing the both at the
Oh,
same time
thank you,
because the
thank you.
day is like that. Because the
Hmm.
day is like that.
Great, great. So, have you got any checkup about means something? Did you go to doctor anywhere?
No,
Hmm?
no.
No, you must go na.
Why?
Why? You have to get a checkup na. That's why.
Why I will should get a checkup?
You have to go to the doctor and you have to consult. You have to tell to the doctor, please check means how much money inside my blood na.
Oh my god, it's really funny. So,
And definitely, maybe in
mm,
your blood, lots of coins, lots of money, lots of
okay,
cash as well.
okay, I will go to doctor and I will definitely do my checkup.
Yeah, but I have consulted, no, just he said there's no any cash. You are cashless. Why?
No. Who tell you are bad? You
Hmm.
are the genius. You
Oh,
are the genius.
how did you
But
get me
you
that
are
I'm so genius?
because you are means what are you speaking? What you are communicating with me
Hmm.
to me, and
Oh.
the last point is that means I am telling that accept me,
Hmm.
accept me.
Hmm.
Anyone will call you or you will call to other. They will never feel bored to talk with you.
Oh.
You have a ability
Oh.
to being what interest.
Oh, great, great. Thank you so much for that. Thank you.
So
Means
please you
you
don't.
have given
Yes.
me
So
review na about me.
mm-mm. So you should not tell that you don't know. You know much more, but still you are trying that. We are so grateful to
Hmm.
have you in this platform.
Oh, great, lovely. That's a great. What's your dream? What do you want to become in your life? What did you set your goal? Means what you means still achievements, no?
My aim is to be a air hostess.
Oh, air
Yes,
hostess.
I
Oh, so did you did you
yes,
did you
as I
get did you get any private course for that?
no, I didn't because I have went to Guwahati for this
Hmm.
interview
Mm-hmm.
and I was selected only, but I have given two airlines interview. First one is Indigo, and in Indigo, what's happened? I am very nervous to
Mm-hmm.
talk because there was one so beautiful lady
Oh.
who was the HR, and she was taking our interview, and by seeing her, I am so nervous that I can't expect any word to
Oh.
him. Sorry, to her. So that is
Hmm.
why I have got rejected in the first round only. But they were collecting the CP and told that no need to join any institutions or any other. There's better you can join the English speaking classes.
Okay.
So we have came another one, the Air India
Mm-hmm.
Airlines, that I have got selected, but because of my height I had got rejected.
Oh.
My height is 151 centimeter, but they want 157 centimeter.
So you
That is
can
why I have got rejected.
so you can take Bonvita,
Yes, yes,
na?
yes. And Indigo are providing. Indigo are providing 151, but they are not.
Okay. Oh, great, great. So means if you want to ask any kind of question, if you want to get any kind of solutions for English speaking, so I'm ready for that. If you want to means that.
Means I just means where I am asking one question that
Mm-hmm.
you must tell, you please tell that whenever the interviewer asks that tell me about yourself, how to start, that they will impress by my answer.
Hmm.
How to get impressed them by my answer.
First of all, you have to talk politely, okay? First of all.
Hmm.
Hmm?